Hi, my name is Cherie, known as the Rainbow Hair Artist on Instagram. Welcome back to my YouTube channel and into another episode today of Transformation Education. I hope you've been enjoying these videos that I've been making for you. I do plan on making more, just showing you a little bit more detail in how I actually do my work. I've been trying to film more so that I can put it up here for you guys to see. Also, I do give away a lot of information on my Instagram, which I will just drop the link below, and that's just called the Rainbow Hair Artist. I like to show a lot of my progress photos with you, and I also just like to share with you handy tips and tricks and things that have helped me with hairdressing throughout my career. So if that's something that would interest you, please do give me a subscribe, hit the notification bell so that you can know whenever I upload a video, and like this video if you liked this transformation. This one is Silver Galaxy hair, so I'll just let that video run for you and hope that you like it. I tried a new technique this time. It was kind of like a cross between the bubble technique and using the over direction that I usually use when I do anything that's sort of like a prism. I don't know that it really made much of a difference, but I tried it anyway, and here are the results. I hope you enjoy. Welcome back. So what you can see here is the result of she's had an on-scalp bleach, and then I've just pre-toned her. And what I plan on doing is, for the top part that I've got sectioned out, she will have a darker grey colour that I will apply after. And I'm just blow drying this section here because this is the area that I plan on putting my direct dyes on. So I want that to be nice and dry before I start applying my direct dyes. So blow dry, blow dry, blow dry. And then we're going to start the application process. Here are the colours that I've mixed up. And I'm going to be putting these through kind of using the bubble technique. If you've never heard of that technique before, it's basically a technique usually used with pastels, and you overlap the colours to kind of create like an opalescent type of look. See this bit of hair here? I'm leaving this out because I don't want to be putting bright bold colours right on her hairline. And I'll do this a lot, and this just allows my clients to wear their hair up and still look sort of normal, if that makes sense. So I'll keep all that hair around her face is just going to be silver, and I'm starting these bolder colours from a little bit further back. So this is essentially what the bubble technique involves. It's just taking nice fine sections and just saturating them with the direct dye, one straight on top of the other. You'll see that I'll apply this very quickly. I'm not worried about rubbing it in or anything. I'm just kind of slapping it on there nice and quick and then moving on to the next one. You don't want to, try and rub that in and thoroughly saturate it, because then your colours will start bleeding into each other, and we don't want that. So it's just like a layering technique, just one on top of the other. You can research the bubble technique. I originally heard of it off, I think, Hair by KCO from the Pulp Write-It, and it's a handy little technique. I am still sort of following the colour wheel like where I can. I know I haven't got an exact rainbow palette, but I'm still trying to just follow the colour wheel as closely as I can, so that worst case, if these colours do bleed onto each other a little bit, which they are likely to, a little bit, is going to be unavoidable with this technique, all the colours are going to flow together nicely because I'm trying to follow the colour wheel. And that's basically it, and I'm just going to work around her whole head, just continuing this technique. This is the first time I've ever tried anything like this, and I think it came out quite nicely. I'll just let that fast forward for you. just gone right around her head. This is what it looks like once it's completed. Looks like a nice colourful smush. And then I'll cover that up, and now I'm going to start applying my grey. My favourite formula for grey is definitely Affinage, the Gothic collection. They have the best greys that I've ever tried, but I can't stress enough the importance of pre-toning when you want to do a grey. It is crucial, like absolutely crucial, that you pre-tone so that there is no gold in the hair. That's the secret to creating the best kind of grey. And here my formula was 6117 and 9117 with a little bit of lavender. I will write down my exact formulation in the description of this video for you. And once I've got this on, I'm going to process it for about 15 minutes and then wash the whole lot off. So once it's all washed off, I've given her a trim, and now I'm going to begin the blow dry. It's really important to blow dry the hair first if you want to achieve a nice style. I'm not a pro like blow dryer, but I still realize the importance because it's just setting that foundation, like getting the body, getting a good structure before you start your hot tools. It's always going to turn out better if you give it a good blow dry first. Once I've blow dried that, I'm using my Mint Tools curling iron here just to give it some curls. If you'd like to see a tutorial on how I actually do my curls, I do have a video as well that I will just link in the description, and that's just a bit more information on how I do my curls, if you'd like to see. And this is the final result in shaded natural lighting. So as you can see, it's a nice silver, and we've got some nice pops of colour underneath there. Very wearable, very under the radar. You know, you can put it up in a top knot if you want to see some more colours, and if you want it to be a bit more subtle, you can just wear it all down. I hope you've liked this video today. Please do give me a like and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos like these. Until next time, bye bye.